So pretend this is my ruler because I don't have one. You are going to need to mark out a straight line. And the reason you have to do this, pretend that's a straight line, is you're going to be working on a plane and you need your line to be, oops, my finger's in the way. You need your line to be at 0. Otherwise, your print is going to print off of the page. So let's say that that's my straight line. All right. I can't tell if it's straight or not, but it's going to be for the purposes of this. You're going to need a Sharpie. Oh, wait, I do it like on YouTubers, how they do that. Let's say that my roller coaster is going to do this. Okay, I didn't completely do that correctly, but because my line should have been straight on here to make sure that everything's going to line up. Let's just hope it works. So I'm going to go in and darken these lines up and give it a lattice as a base, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the most important part is that you want your lines thick enough to recognize that this is our roller coaster and these are our support structures. You may want to go in and thicken these up depending on the level of support needed for your roller coaster. You want to make sure everything is closed, that there are no open lines. Like right here, you need to close this off. You don't want any open lines because then the printer won't recognize it when I turn this into an SVG. So let's move on to the second part. So I took a picture of my roller coaster with my phone. Then I sent it to my drive with my Google Drive app. If you don't have that, you should probably get it. So what I'm going to do is download this, which I've already done, and then I'm going to convert it to an SVG. If you look at the bottom of this picture, you can see that my line wasn't straight because I didn't follow along with my ruler. I'm going to show you how to fix that once I get to Tinkercad. But first, let's convert it to an SVG, and I'm going to time-lapse this because it's going to take a while. Now we're going to go to Tinkercad. If you don't have an account, you're going to need to sign up. Otherwise, sign in. If you are 13 or older, you do not need parental consent. If you are under 13, you need to see me because we have to get your parents to sign off on this. Make sure you hold down the shift button to shrink this. So this looks pretty sturdy except for this end right here. And what you can do to fix this is make a base. What you're going to do is you're going to export, and I need this as an STL. You must give it to me as an STL in order for the 3D printer to read it. And you need to make sure that everything is connected. There's nothing floating in the air because the 3D printer cannot defy gravity. If you have any questions, come see me.